Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can operate the headrests on a BMW 2 Series. This is a 2025 model. So on the headrests, all you have to do is lift them up to get to the height you want, and you will hear that they will click into position. There's various different heights we can have. But when it comes to lowering them down, you have to press this button in at the side. So if I press the button in at the side, it then allows me to drop it down to the next level or lower it down completely. And that's the same with the ones at the front as well. So there's a little button just here. So again, we don't have to press the button. When we're going up, you can see that it's all clicking into all the different spots that we want it to. But then if you want to lower it down to the next level or completely, you have to press that button in, and then you can lower it down to one of the heights that you want it to be, and then down completely. On this middle one at the back, if you want to lift it up, you just grab it from the back and lift it up like so, and then to lower it down, we have to press this button in at the side and push it in like that. Although we can put it up and down, there is no height adjustment on it. But if it's annoying you and the seat's never used, you can actually take this headrest out. So to do that, what we need to do is we have to press in the button at the right hand side and the left hand side. There's a little button on the left hand side as well, and that will allow us to take the headrest out completely. So I'm pressing that button in and this button in, and that will release it. And once it's released, you can just keep going up and up and up, and you can see it will come out completely. And to put it back in, all you have to do is line it back in and just push down, and it will click back into place like so. So that's it. That's how to do the headrests on your BMW. You also have an option to take out these ones as well, but you will have to flip the seat forward in order to do that. I'll quickly do that now. With this one here, all we have to do is press this one in. You don't have to press the button on this side. Press in this side and you will see that they will come out completely. And then to put it back in, just put it back in like so, and it will click back into place, and then press that down to get it fully home. Slam that back down. Now to do the front ones, we're going to have to tilt the seats right back, because otherwise you're not going to clear the roof. And again, up to here, and then use this button here, and then in, and it will come out like so. And then to put it back in, just line it up, and it will lock back into place. Press the button and it will go fully back down again. So that's it. That's how to operate the headrests on your BMW 2 Series. Thanks for watching.